Hi there. Welcome to Flyer Connect. To get started to connect with your school, you'll first download the app by searching for Flyer Connect in your App Store. Once you've downloaded the app, make sure to accept push notifications so that when a staff member sends you a message, you'll know it's there waiting for you. To add your school, you will enter a unique code by selecting I have a code. If you haven't received your code yet, you can get it texted to you. Click Request Code to get your code via text message and enter your cell phone number. If you don't get a text message, reach out to the main office. Once you enter your code, any school you're connected to will automatically show up. Within that school, you'll also be added to any groups that you belong to. Group messages are from teachers or other staff members. Next, select the language you'd like to communicate in. All messages and chats will now show up in that language. Once you click into your school's page, you'll see all of the messages from across the school and your groups in one place. To chat directly with a teacher, go to their group by clicking the group's icon. Find the group and choose Chat. Now you can have a direct conversation with them in your language. To chat with a main office staff member, go to the Contact Us icon and select Chat. You'll find a list of all the school admins at your school who you can chat with. Flyer Connect is more than just messaging. You can see calendar events from the school and your classroom. Plus, take a look at our robust resource library with links to parent portal, health and wellness resources, and academic tools. To update your notification settings, click on the profile icon and then Settings. There, you can update how you would like to receive your messages. Now you're all set up to communicate with your school.